All right, zooming in here on Velodrome. So we're going to draw from that little low to the high here. Ah, damn. Yeah, I thought maybe we were holding support here, but we are below the 786. You can see we did hold it, but then now we lost it. So as long as you're below 13.7 here, it does look like the price is going to end up coming down, breaking this low here at 13. So let's just go ahead and get that off the chart. But we've been pointing this out on Velodrome here, that potentially below our green box here, we are coming back down to the 618 at 11 here. So that does seem to be in play here. So I would look for Velo here to drop another 16% before it puts a bottom in. But ultimately, we are still holding, as you can see here, if we zoom out, we are still holding after the strong move up here. We're holding in this descending channel wedge pattern, whatever you want to call this here. So this move up into this pattern here, bull flag, whatever you want to call it, with the stock RSI going completely flat down here. And then on top of that, we have the volume that spiked in and then went to zero. All of this tells us that this pattern is coiling up, and wherever the bottom is, which it looks like it's going to be the 618 at 11, that's when you're going to get a giant green candle spawning in here and shooting us out of here. So just keep that in mind. So just keep that all in mind on Velo here. Watch that support area coming up. It's not really sitting on anything at the moment, unless you want to count something like this. Resistance could be support. So you could say any lower than you are now, then you're going to break that 13, and then of course you're coming back down to 11. Hopefully that makes sense there. But it is in a very bullish pattern. I think it's only a matter of time before it starts to shoot back to the upside here. And with that being said, it's probably going to have a huge spike if we draw our measured move from the candle here to the top and just kind of speculate off of the 618 bounce here. You can see it takes us up to the potential targets up here, of course, depending on where you're going to break out at. So yeah, I think, me personally, I think that once we get a bottom and a nice bounce and the volume comes in, I really think we're going to spike straight up to the 1272 there at 46.6 there. And you're looking to spike up about 250% here out of this pattern. So we'll see what happens here. With that all being said, you can see that potential targets for Velo here going from the price today at 13.4. We do have the 2272 here at $4. That is a 29x almost. And then the 2618 at 860 would give you a very decent, very nice 63x on Velo here. So what do you guys think about Velo? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.